Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do, watching me. Today we're going to do a fall inspired makeup look. This is like my signature eyeshadow look. I pretty much every time I wear eyeshadow, I wear some kind of type of brown eyeshadow. Since fall is coming, it's a very fun, simple eyeshadow look to do. I'm also currently sick, so I'm going to do a voiceover.
Bad in May, and we've been using it.
So I'm going to do a voiceover so I don't have to talk the whole time and lose my voice since I gotta work tonight. But I hope you enjoy this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the share button as well. And let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start out with primer, which I use the Cover FX primer as always. My favorite primer. Very moisturizing and smooths the pores out very nicely. Now I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty foundation. I have used this foundation several times in some of my new videos. And look at that coverage. It covers so good. Perfect foundation, lasts all day long. Highly recommend it. If you have oily skin, it can also work for dry skin. Now I'm going to go in with Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. This is a dupe for Too Faced, and I love it. Taking my beauty blender. It is not damp. It is just a normal, dirty, nasty, dry beauty blender. I probably need to get a new one. But it is doing the job, as you can tell. Just dabbing it all in my highlighting areas. So just keep dabbing, My ear was just ringing, so now I'm freaking out. Like, great. That's never a good thing. Alright, fixing the camera. Now I got the Coty Airspun powder to bake my face. Taking this same beauty blender and just dabbing that Airspun powder into my skin. It smells pretty bad. Trust me, I know, girlfriend. That stuff stinks. Smells like old people lipstick, but it does the job. Just dabbing in my most oily areas. Brush off the excess. And I believe next thing I should be doing, just dusting it off. Okay, now I got the IT Cosmetics Sunshine in a Compact Bronzer. It's gonna bronze my neck because it has to match my skin and my face. So bronze the shit out of your skin so you can be bronze like me. Yay. Just contour those cheeks. I'm not using contour brush, but it's okay. Just keep bronzing. Bronze them boobies. Yep. You're looking tan. Just make sure your arms aren't really white. So now I'm going to set my makeup with that Urban Decay De-Slick Oil De-Slick Setting Spray. Don't be stingy. Make sure you get yourself really nice and set. Now I'm going with the NYX Vinyl Eyeliner. Ooh, okay. Just got real close up. Well, we are going to put on the liner like so. I like really thick eyeliner. This is my first time really doing good with the eyeliner on camera. I think I did well for my first time. But I like my eyeliner to be really thick. It helps make my eyes look lifted. So we are just doing the other eye now. They don't have to be perfect, as you can tell. Just do the best you can. Color in the lines and try and make them straight. This one's a little curvy, but it's okay. You can just keep making it thicker and then it'll be alright. Not too bad. Just keep making it thicker. It's okay. Yep, stick your tongue out. Alright, now we're going to go in with the palette from BoxyCharm 2 months ago. I don't think you can buy this palette, but I'm just showing you a color that you can use. It is just a really pretty red brown. Blending that out. Make sure you use a clean brush to blend out the excess eyeshadow on your eyes because you want to use a clean blending brush. So now we're going to use a glitter from the same palette. It is a gold shimmer. We're going to use our finger to dab it on so you can get the most out of the glitter. Using your finger rather than a brush really helps pack on the pigment onto your eyes. I'm sorry if I sound so gross, guys. I am sick and it's not fun. So we're going to use the red to kind of give that eyeshadow some more depth. Just put it in kind of like the middle part. Don't bring it up real high. Keep it kind of low. Just a little bit. And blend it out. I'm going back in with the NYX eyeliner to touch up the eyeliner. I know I should have did that last, but I like to do my eyeliner before my eyeshadow so I can already have an outline of my eyeliner, so whenever I go back in, there's less likely a chance that you will mess up your eyeliner. So that's just a little pro tip that can help you out if you have trouble with that. Just touching it up. Lashes. I'm going to put my lashes on now. These are the Ardell double ups. You can get them from Sally's, or if you have a cosmetology license, you can get them at Cosmoprof. I think that's the only I only see them at Cosmoprof and Sally's, so I don't see them anywhere else. Cosmoprof always has them, and so does Sally's. They're my favorite go-to lashes. Just trying to stick them on here. I'm having some difficulties. Come on, girl. Get them lashes on. Yep. Okay. So we're showing the palette that we use, making a weird face. Okay. And just putting on some mascara to blend in the lashes. Yep. Looking at myself. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yep. Work it. Okay. So what next? Okay, and the hat's off. We're putting on some eyeliner in the waterline. This is the Pretty Vulgar eyeliner that came out of the BoxyCharm 2 months ago, and also the mascara Unleashed by Mandip. This was also in the BoxyCharm box 2 months ago. I just keep using the same stuff. Oh, and there's Kyle. Hi, Kyle. Yep. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Stop. Come here. You want to say bye? And Kylie says bye. Bye.